What's going on, guys? This is John with Westfall Visuals, or directed by Westfall here. And today I'm going to show you the top 3 ways that I have been able to generate over $3,000 of revenue for my business in the last 30 days from absolutely nothing. Now, let me preface this first. I do have quite an extensive portfolio. So keep that in mind that I've been doing video work for years prior to this. I have the skills, I have the equipment, and I have everything that I need to deliver a good product, but I've never taken my business to the next step by marketing and actually trying to land clientele in this way. Then again, I do think anybody can use the methods I'm about to show you, even if they don't have the years of experience that I do. I think that a new business or somebody that's just getting into photography or just getting into videography could use all of this to help grow their business as well. I think I just was able to get a lot of financial success out of it right off the bat because I do have that quite extensive portfolio at this time. But I'm going to show you right here my business credit card statement. Right here is I spent $211 on Bark, which is a place where people can post job listings. So if I was looking for a wedding photographer or a wedding videographer, you can post it on there. They pay a small fee to post it, and then you pay per lead essentially through Bark. I paid for about 15 leads and I landed 1 wedding for $1,900, give or take. And then right here was my Squarespace. So this is what I had to pay to get the email marketing that I paid for, as well as for my monthly subscription to get my website up. And on the back end, this allows me to send project proposals, estimates, and invoices as well directly through Squarespace. Another service that I tried but I would absolutely stay away from is Fash. It's a lot like Bark but way less popular, and I had it for about 7 days and I saw absolutely no action whatsoever. So I did in fact ask for a refund on the $150 that I spent, and the company did give that back to me, I will say that. Instead of paying the $150 up front, you are able to charge per lead, and they do charge $12 per lead. Another thing that I'm not going to show because it's in a different credit card account, I'm also paying $300 a month to get listed on The Knot. So this is our page for that as well. And we're building that essentially. And this is more of a long-term marketing game. We haven't seen any clients come through here yet, mostly because we haven't really expanded our wedding portfolio to meet what the standard is on The Knot and the Wedding Wire as well. We're on there too. That's part of that $300 a month subscription. But we really haven't seen much from it just because I know it takes a lot longer to build traction on the platform. We're going to give it about a year, and then I'm going to come back next year and give a review and see exactly how The Knot has performed for us. We are hoping to land about 12 weddings off of The Knot this year. So if we just pull out a calculator, if we spend $300 a month on marketing times 12, that's $3,600, and we charge a minimum of $1,900 per wedding times 12, then we will definitely, most definitely make our money back. So let's say we'll make $1,900, give or take. Obviously you have travel costs, gas costs that come out of that. So let's just say that we spend $6,000 on travel costs, we'd make $1,300 just from The Knot and Wedding Wire. But again, this is going to take more time to see. My number 1 drive though for leads has been Yelp. Yelp offers a 30-day free trial for any new businesses that partner with them to run ads. So essentially, I've spent 0 money on this. They charge about $13 a day, or a maximum of $336 per month. That's what my settings are, but you're able to customize and or change that. And I have seen exponential growth for our business through this. I'm going to show you kind of how many leads that I have. We have gotten 1.5K impressions over the last 30 days, 37 page visits, and 36 leads. So for free, even if it wasn't, right? So it's been actually 15 days that I've had this. I'm not in the 30-day mark, but that means that we would generate around 80 leads per month, right? And if I was paying that 336 per month. Let's just say 340 divided by 80 leads. That means I'm paying about $4.25 per lead. That is way better than any other platform that I have used so far. I do want to start dabbling around in Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. I haven't gone over to this yet. I kind of want to stick with what works, and I know Yelp is working. I booked a $500 wedding off of Yelp. I have booked, I'm looking at my calendar right now, a funeral that I'm pretty sure somebody got my information off of Yelp for that. And then an engagement shoot as well. So Yelp has been the main driver, but my most expensive wedding that I have booked this month is actually off of Bark. I used Bark once, I paid the $200, got one lead off of it. So $200, got a $1,900 lead. With costs and everything, I'll probably make about $1,400. And a banger portfolio wedding video, hopefully. We're shooting that next week. But I really like that I landed that on Bark, but I also think I got lucky. I don't like having to cold call people. I don't like having like this competition between people in the sense of like, you know, there's other people that are responding to these leads. I like Yelp because people are reaching out directly to you based off of when they're searching for something that they want, and you're appearing high up in the search results, and it's to your area as well. So I just like that I like that. I think it makes a lot more sense for people. It's great. And then there's, you know, it also shows you the competitors as well. And I mean, I scroll through the competitors, man, and like, it's so crazy, the video and photo industry, because you have people that are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars of revenue, and I go look at their Yelp reviews and people are unsatisfied. So if you're able to deliver a quality product, work with individuals, not be crazy, and just be a genuine human being and work with people. Like, I work with people's budgets and I work with people in their lives, right? And if I'm able to accommodate that and still be firm, right? You know, I'm charging a 50% retainer for all of my projects, right? To make sure I'm covered and everything. That way, if they cancel or something happens on their end, my business is still thriving and everything, right? Because I know what it's like too to, you know, not have a lot of money to work with somebody, you know, and like, I like being flexible and just trying to find something that works for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video, whether you are new to the photography and videography space, or you're a seasoned veteran just trying to maybe expand some ideas on how to generate more leads. If you have any recommendations for me to try based off of what you guys have done, that would be absolutely fantastic. I would much appreciate that. And I'm going to start posting more of these videos regularly. And I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. And if you do need any shoots done within the Northern California area or beyond, please hit me up on my website at westfallvisuals.com or on Instagram at either one of the Instagrams, Westfall Visuals or Directed by Westfall. And I will see you later. Peace.